In this short video, I'll show you how to set up a Google Drive credentials in N8N. First, go ahead and press Start from Scratch. Add first step and trigger manually. Go ahead and press that one. Add another one, and let's put in Google Drive. Let's press that and select a function. As for me, I'm just gonna select copy file. And the credential to connect with, go ahead and press that one and select create new credential. It will be presented with this tab. What you need to do now is go to Open Docs, and it's going to tell you that the prerequisites is create a Google Cloud account. Not to worry, go ahead and press new tab right here and type in console.cloud.google.com. Press enter. Once we're here, go ahead on the top left is my first project and select your project. If you haven't had any projects yet, go ahead and press new project and make a name and create your project. As for me, I'm not going to do that since I already have one, which is my first project right here. Go ahead and click yours, and it should start viewing your project. Once you've done that, go to the left side navigation menu. On the APIs and services, click on OAuth consent screen right here. You'll be presented with this. At the right side, click on create OAuth client. Application type should be web application and name it something you want. I'll name it demo for mine. At the bottom is authorize redirect URL. So let's go ahead and press that one. And we need to go back to N8N and copy the URL right here. Just copy, go back and paste it right here. Once you've done that, go ahead and create. It's going to show you this. You can copy the client ID right here and paste it right here. Now it says that there's client secret, but as we go back, there isn't any client secret, but that's okay. Just press OK. Go back to your project. Just click your project right here. And the right side should present you with the client secret right here. Go ahead and copy that one and go back and paste it. Now it should tell us to sign in with Google. However, don't press that yet since we need to enable a permission, if you will. So go back, click on audience right here. At the bottom is test users. Go ahead and type in add users and type in the email that you're going to use with N8N. I'll use this one. Save. Give it a sec. There you go. It should pop up right here. Once you've done that, go ahead and sign in with Google. It's going to give a sec. This is the one. It's going to ask you that it's not verified. It's fine. You can go ahead and press continue. Highlight all. Continue. And there you go. It's going to tell you that you've connected with your Google, which is what we wanted. You can go ahead and press X. Now, what we need to keep in mind that if we were to select a file, it's going to show you this error. It's fine. Go back to the cloud Google right here. And let's type in Google Drive since we need to enable it first. Google Drive API, press it. Now we go ahead and press enable. It's going to take a sec to enable it, but once it's enabled, we're able to select our Google Drive files to do the function that we've given it in N8N. There we go. Once it's done, you can go ahead and go back and go ahead and select a function, and there you go. Now you know how to set up Google Drive credentials and N8N. You can watch this playlist if you ever get stuck with this problem.